In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a free Docusign account, whether you're looking to sign documents yourself or send them to others for a signature. Docusign makes the process easy and efficient. We'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up your account to sending or signing your first document. First, to get started, head over to the Docusign website by typing out the URL view.docusign.com. Once you're on the page, look for the Sign Up Free button. This is how you begin creating your account. Docusign offers a variety of options, but for standard use, you'll want to choose Personal Use. This option is perfectly adequate for personal transactions or simple business needs. It allows you to sign an unlimited number of documents yourself for free and send up to 3 documents to others for signatures. When prompted, you'll fill in some basic information, your name and email address, and create a password that you'll use to log into your account in the future. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click on Start Now, and you'll officially have your new Docusign account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create and upload your first document. To begin, find the button labeled Start or New, and from the drop-down menu, select Send an Envelope. This is the language Docusign uses for sending documents, even if you aren't familiar with the term. Next, click on Upload to bring your document into Docusign. The platform supports various file types like PDF, Word, and more, so choose the document file you need uploaded. After you've uploaded your document, click Next to proceed to the next stage. Here you'll be adding your recipients, those who need to sign the document. Enter the name and email address of the person who needs to receive the document. If you're the one who needs to sign it, select Needs to Sign and provide your own email address. With your recipients set, the next step involves placing the signature fields. Docusign makes this straightforward. You'll drag and drop the fields you need, such as the signature, date signed, and any other necessary fields like name or initials. Place each field in its respective location on the document where the signer can easily see and complete it. Finally, if you're sending the document to someone else, simply click Send. If you're the one signing, choose Sign, and afterward, click Finish. Once you've signed, Docusign allows you to download a PDF of the signed document, ensuring you have a copy for your records. You'll also receive an email with the document, providing another layer of convenience. Congratulations, you've now successfully navigated through signing up and utilizing Docusign to send or sign your first document. Enjoy the efficiency and ease that Docusign brings to handling important